Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss Mary English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Mary.
And I'm Jack. It's so good to be here with you today, Mary.
It's great to see you too, Jack. How are you doing today?
I'm doing really well. Thank you for asking. I had a very funny morning.
Oh, really? What happened this morning?
Well, I went to buy some bread from the bakery. You know, the small one near my house.
Oh, I know that place. The bread there is so fresh.
Exactly. But something funny happened to me.
What was it? Tell me.
I wanted to ask for 2 loaves of bread, but in my head, I was translating from my language first.
Oh, no. And then what happened?
By the time I finished translating, the lady was waiting for 2 minutes.
Oh, Jack, that is so funny and sad at the same time.
I know. She was looking at me like, hello, are you okay?
Poor Jack. But you know what? This is a perfect topic for today.
Oh, really? What is the topic?
Today, we are talking about how to stop translating and start thinking in English.
Oh, wow, this is exactly what I needed today.
Yes, it's a very important topic for our friends who are learning English.
It really is. Many people have this same problem.
They do. They translate every word in their head first.
And it makes them speak so slowly.
Exactly. So today, we will share some easy tips.
I am so ready to learn. I need help with this.
So, Jack, what is the first problem with translating?
Well, in my opinion, it makes you very slow.
That's right. Your brain has to work 2 times.
Yes, first my language, then English. It's tiring.
And you used a great word there, Jack. Tiring.
Oh, did I?
Yes, tiring means it makes you feel tired, no energy.
Ah, perfect. Translating all day is really tiring.
I agree. And sometimes the translation is wrong, too.
Oh, that's true. Some words don't translate well.
Exactly. Every language is a little different.
Can you give an example, Mary?
Sure. In English, we say, I am hungry.
Okay. And in other languages, it can be different?
Yes, some languages say, I have hunger. Word by word, it's different.
Oh, I see. So if I translate word by word, I make mistakes?
Exactly. That's why we need a new habit.
A new habit? What kind of habit?
The habit of thinking in English directly.
That sounds difficult. How do we start?
I have some easy tips. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm so ready. Tell me everything.
Okay. Tip number 1. Name things around you.
Name things? What do you mean?
Look around your room right now. See objects. Say the English word in your head.
Oh, like this. Chair, table, window, lamp?
Yes, just like that. Don't say your language word first.
But my brain wants to say my language word first.
I know. It's a habit, but you can change it.
How long does it take to change it?
Well, in my opinion, about 2 or 3 months of practice.
2 or 3 months? That's not so bad.
Exactly. Small practice every day. That's the secret.
I like that. Small practice every day.
Yes, 5 minutes is enough at the start.
Oh, only 5 minutes? Anyone can do that.
Exactly. 5 minutes of looking around and naming things.
Okay. What is tip number 2?
Tip number 2. Talk to yourself in English.
Talk to myself? People will think I am crazy.
No. Talk to yourself quietly, in your head.
Oh, in my head. Okay, that's better.
Yes. When you make tea, think, I am making tea.
I am making tea. So simple.
Exactly. Don't translate, just describe what you do.
Ah, I see. So when I walk, I can think, I am walking.
Perfect. And when you eat, I am eating.
This is actually fun, like a little game.
Yes, learning should feel like a game, not homework.
I couldn't agree more. Games are much better than homework.
Right? Okay, tip number 3.
Oh, I'm taking notes in my head.
Good. Tip 3 is watch English shows with English subtitles.
English subtitles, not my language subtitles?
No, your language subtitles make you translate.
Ah, I see your point. My eyes read my language, my ears hear English.
Exactly. Your brain gets confused. It's not direct.
So with English subtitles, both my ears and eyes get English.
Yes, and slowly you start to understand without thinking.
That's amazing. The brain learns by itself.
It really does. Our brain is very smart.
My brain doesn't feel smart sometimes.
Oh, Jack, your brain is very smart. Trust it. Hey, friends, if you are enjoying this conversation, please don't forget to like this video.
Yes, and subscribe to our channel if you're new here.
And share it with a friend who is learning English. It really helps us a lot. Thank you so much. And here's something fun. If you are still listening, comment mango below.
Mango? Why mango, Mary?
Because mangoes are my favorite fruit.
Okay, fair enough. So everyone write mango in the comments.
Yes, then we know you listened all the way.
It's our little secret word for today.
Okay, Jack, let's practice with a real situation.
Oh, I love role plays. What's the situation?
Imagine you are at a restaurant.
Okay, I love restaurants.
I will be the waiter. You order food. But don't translate first.
Okay, I will try my best.
Don't think in your language. Just speak.
All right, let's go.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our restaurant. What can I get you?
Hi, I would like a chicken sandwich, please.
Sure, with cheese.
Yes, please, with cheese.
Anything to drink?
A glass of water, please.
Hot or cold water?
Cold, please.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, your order will be ready soon. Jack, you did it. Did you translate?
No, I just spoke. It felt so fast.
See? Your brain knows English. You just have to trust it.
Wow, it really was easier without translating.
Exactly. The words came out naturally.
I feel like a different person.
A new English thinking Jack. Tip number 4 is very important.
Oh, another one. Tell me.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Oh, but Mary, I hate making mistakes.
I know, we all do. But mistakes are part of learning.
I see your point, but it's embarrassing sometimes.
It is. But think about babies.
Babies?
Yes. Babies make many mistakes when they speak.
Oh, that's true. My little nephew says, I goed to park.
Cute. But he is not translating.
Oh, you're right. He is just speaking from his heart.
Exactly. He thinks in English. He doesn't care about being perfect.
Wow. I need to be more like a baby.
Yes. Be brave like a baby.
Brave like a baby. I love that.
And brave means not scared. Doing it even when you feel nervous.
Right. Brave. Like a soldier or a hero.
Yes. You are a hero in your own English journey.
Oh, that's so nice. I feel like a hero now.
You should. Every learner is a hero. Okay, Jack, let's talk about something else.
Sure. What is it?
What do you do when you don't know a word in English?
Oh, well, before I used to stop and translate.
And now?
Now, I try to describe the word with other English words.
That's amazing! That's exactly what you should do.
Yes. For example, if I forget the word fridge, I say the cold box for food.
Perfect. The other person understands you.
Exactly. And I keep my brain in English.
This is called describing. It's a great skill.
Describing? Yes, I describe instead of translating.
Yes, and the more you do it, the more words you remember.
Wow, so even when I forget, I am still learning.
Exactly. Every moment is a chance to practice.
I love that. Every moment is a chance.
Tip number 5. Listen to English every day.
Like music or podcasts?
Yes, music, podcasts, videos, anything.
Even if I don't understand everything?
Especially when you don't understand everything.
Really? How does that help?
Your brain gets used to the sound of English.
Ah, I see. The rhythm, the music of English.
Exactly. English has its own music.
And different languages have different music.
Yes, so when you listen a lot, your brain learns the song.
I love this idea. English is a song.
Yes, a song you sing every day.
Personally, I listen to English songs in the morning.
That's great. What is your favorite English song?
I love old songs, slow ones. The words are clear.
Good choice. Slow songs are easier to understand.
Exactly. And I sing along sometimes.
Singing is wonderful. Your mouth practices the sounds.
Oh, that's a good point. My mouth needs practice too.
Yes, English is like exercise for your mouth.
Mouth exercise. I love it.
Jack, let me ask you something.
Yes, please.
After today, how do you feel about translating?
Honestly, I feel like I want to stop
That's great. Why?
because translating is slow. It makes me tired, and I make mistakes.
Exactly. And thinking in English?
Thinking in English feels free, like flying.
Oh, that's beautiful, Jack.
I'm a poet now, Mary.
Yes, you are. A baby poet.
Brave like a baby poet.
Okay, let me ask, what was the biggest tip for you today?
For me, it was describe. Don't translate.
Ah, that's a good one. Why that one?
Because I can use it right now, today, in any conversation.
That's true. It's a tip you can try immediately.
What about you, Mary? What is your favorite tip?
For me, it's talk to yourself in English.
Ah, the secret game in your head.
Yes, because you can do it anywhere. Walking, cooking, before sleeping.
That's true. You don't need a teacher or a book.
Exactly. Your brain is your classroom.
Wow, your brain is your classroom. Another beautiful sentence.
We are both poets today. Okay, Jack, let's review our tips today.
Good idea. Number 1 was name things around you.
Yes. Number 2, talk to yourself in your head.
Number 3, watch shows with English subtitles.
Number 4, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Be brave like a baby.
Exactly. And number 5,
Listen to English every day. Music, podcasts, anything.
perfect. And the bonus tip?
Describe words, don't translate them.
great review. You remembered everything.
Because I didn't translate.
You're learning fast. Jack, do you have any last advice for our listeners?
Yes. My advice is start small. Just try one tip today.
And remember, our friends, don't be hard on yourselves.
Yes. Be patient. Be kind to your brain.
Your brain is doing amazing work.
It really is. Learning a language is hard work.
And every one of you is doing it. That's wonderful. Well, I think we are coming to the end of our episode today.
It went by so fast. I learned a lot, Mary.
Me too, Jack. I always learn when we talk.
Same here. Thank you to everyone listening.
Yes, thank you so much for being with us today.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already.
Yes, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
And tell us in the comments, which tip will you try first?
Great question. Will you name things, talk to yourself, watch shows? Or maybe all of them at once?
Slow down, Jack. Small steps, remember?
Oh, yes, small steps. I forgot already.
And don't forget our secret word, mango.
Yes, write mango in the comments so we know you finished.
We read every comment. We love hearing from you.
We really do. You are the best community.
Well, goodbye for now, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy learning.
Stop translating, start thinking in English.
You can do it. We believe in you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you next time.